So bacha, now we will solve question second. What is this? Read the statement. Show that any positive odd integer, bacha, from odd obviously it is understood that this number is not divisible by 2 because odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So is of the forms 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. So bacha, whenever you come across with these type of questions like 6q plus 1, 4q plus 3, 2q plus 1 means in this form obviously it is the greatest hint for you people that you are supposed to use Euclid division algorithm or lemma, whatever you can say. So we are going to solve this question. See what you will say. Let firstly simply you will write by Euclid division algorithm this exercise 1.1 question second. Algorithm A is equal to BQ plus R. What is condition on R? I explained it on you that it must be less than either equal to 0 or greater than 0, but it must less than the divisor. So see, now there is a confusion how we take the value of B. But just see in the question, whatever is given with this number with Q. So sorry, whatever is given with Q, you are supposed to take B, that value B. Now here it is 6, so I will take B is equal to 6. So here according to this condition what we will get remainder maybe. So R is equal to obviously less than 6, but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Not 6 because I told you like if I again I am explaining, like if I divide 19 by 6, 6 3 is the 18, so remainder is 1. Even if I divide 23 by 6, 6 3 is the 18, so what I will get 5. After 23 what is 24, so it is like if I divide 24 by 6, 6 4s are 24, the complete value 0. If I am dividing by this number, so the remainder is always less than the divisor. So here hopefully you understand the concept. So here it is this. Now what we will write, A is equal to 6q plus R, given it as the number 1. So now one by one we will put the value of R to get our result. So put R equal to 0 in 1. Here A is equal to 6q plus 0. So you know that if we अगर हम किसी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं तो वही नंबर बच जाता है, तो A is equal to 6q. So बचा clearly 2 लिख सकती हूँ, 2 into 3q as it is a multiple of 2, so even it is even. Now put R is equal to 1 in 1. Again A is equal to 6q plus 1. अब इसमें कुछ कॉमन नहीं निकल सकता, so keep it as it is. Now give it as 2, give it as 3. Now put R is equal to 2 in 1. So A is equal to 6q plus 2. Bacha, I can take 2 common. 3q plus 1. Again it is multiple of 2. It is even. Give it as 4. Now put R is equal to 3 in 1. A is equal to 6q plus 3. क्लियर बच्चा? क्या मैं अब इसमें से 2 कॉमन निकाल सकती हूँ? नहीं ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 है. अगर मैं निकाल भी लूँ तो इस फॉर्म में बचेगा 6q प्लस 2 प्लस 1, इसमें से मैंने निकाला तो 2. but again remainder is 1, so it is odd. Give it as number 5. Clear? Now put r is equal to 4 in 1. So a is equal to 6q plus 4. I can take 2 as common. 3q plus 2. It is even. Obviously multiple of 2, no remainder is there. 6 number. Now put r is equal to 5 in 1. A is equal to 6q plus 5. Nothing can come out from this. It is 7. So bacha, clearly what is clear from here? Check. Number 3 6q plus 1. Number 5 6q plus 3. Number 7 6q plus 5. These all are odd. Clearly 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 is odd. So what is our statement? Now we can say that any positive integer is in the form of this. So what we will write? Any positive, this symbol is for positive integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Clear? Now question 3rd. What is it? They are saying an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of column. What is the maximum number? Bacha, you must know that when you have to find maximum, obviously it is HCF, because HCF maximum means to find HCF. Why? Because HCF means highest common factor. मोर ओवर बच्चा HCF क्या होता है? हम सब में से कॉमन निकालते हैं. तो कॉमन तो तभी निकलेगा ना जब दोनों में से कुछ ना कुछ लूँगी. अब बहुत बच्चों को लगता है हम LCM क्यों नहीं ले रहे. बच्चा LCM मीन्स, सी LCM मीन्स लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल मतलब जिसमें लीस्ट सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल आए तो हम उसको बोलते हैं. तो जैसे सपोज मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप 3 किलोमीटर चल रहे हो, मैं भी चल रही हूँ, तो हम दोनों कब मिलेंगे? तो जब मुझे दोनों की बात करनी होगी, at that time I will find LCM. Otherwise the common means we have to check HCF. Clear? So now our question is what they said, an army contingency. So 600 members हैं और कितने का बैंड बनना है? 32 members का. So we will start. Question 3rd. 616 greater than 32. Obviously बचा here no method is mentioned that you are supposed to use with the this Euclid division or long division. So it is up to you. Even those who are comfortable, they can find it by the prime factorization also. But as we are having the exercise of this one, that we have to use Euclid division algorithm, so it is my request you to all, please do the practice of only the long division. So I will do it with the long division. So obviously 616 goes inside, 32 outside. So see here 32, अगर मैं 32 1 लिखूँ यहाँ पे हो जाएगा ये, it is 32 because 32 2 is 64, वो नहीं आएगा. तो यहाँ पे आया 9, यहाँ पे आया 5, 29. अब बच्चा ये गलती नहीं कर देनी कि मैं इसको नीचे ले आऊँ ना, जब तक हमारे पास ये वाला अपना पूरा का पूरा ये फिनिश नहीं हो जाता तब तक आप नहीं करोगे. अच्छा, अब अगर मैं इसको सीधा देखूँ 3 9 ज़ा 27 बन सकता है, तो मैं 32 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लूँ. 9 2 ज़ा 18, 1 3 9 ज़ा 27, 1 28. सो इट गोज़ देयर. सो आई विल राइट हेयर 9 एंड हेयर इट इज़ 288. तो ये यहाँ से कट के आ गया 8, यहाँ पे आया 34. 8 4 ज़ा 32. सो यू विल राइट HCF ऑफ, बच्चा दिस इज़ अ सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म. 32 इज इक्वल टू 8. So they said that what is the maximum number of column in which they can march? They can march in 8 columns. I hope it is clear to you. Now question third. But they already said you use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer, any positive, but here it is not mentioned that even positive integer or odd positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integers. But what I told you to whenever they said they gave us the condition. Now here it is already given Euclid division. So simply you will say by Euclid's division lemma A is equals to BQ plus R. So what condition? R we will be on the R. Now I told you to take the value of B. But just see here it is 3. So what we will take the value? B. Value of B is 3. So what will be the value of R then? R is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Now A is equal to 3Q plus R. Clear? Now give it as 1. Put R is equal to 0. A is in 1. A is equal to 3Q plus 0. Any number I will add in 0 is I will get the same number. But now see they said what they told me here. Read the statement. They said show that the square. So what we will do? We will do the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So it is a square. It is 3q square. A square. It is 9q square. But just see a square. So here what they told me as in the form of 3. So I can write 9 as a 3 into 3. So here it is a square equal to 3 into 3q square. So I can take, because they told me the value m. So where m is equal to 3q square. Clear? Now what we will do? Put r is equal to 1 in 1. What we will get? A is equal to 3q plus 1. Again squaring on both sides. Bacha, see here a square. It is 3q plus 1 complete square. So you can't say that 3q square aa gaya ikattha. No. So it is set of 3q plus 1 whole square. So we will use the identity. We know that a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here it is capital A square is equal to 3q square plus 1 square plus 2 into 3q into 1. So it is a square is equal to 9q square plus 1 6q. बच्चा यहाँ से देखो इन दोनों को अगर मैं कंबाइन करूँ, एक तो दोनों q वाली टर्म है, दूसरा दोनों में 3 कॉमन आ रहा है ना. So we will combine the like terms. Like term means we will combine the terms that having some factor common. So here it is. These are not like terms. Here it is q square. ये square term है और ये सिंगल है, लीनियर है. तो यहाँ से क्या कॉमन निकला मेरा 3. So what I will write is 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So here a square equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. But here I use the identity a plus b whole square. Don't be confused कि यहाँ पे a था तो फिर आपने a square क्या लिया. आप इसको सिंपल ले सकते हो x plus y whole square. So it is x square plus y square plus 2xy. One and the same thing. Clear? Now our last value remainder is put r is equal to 2 in 1. So a is equal to 3q plus 2. Again squaring on both sides. So here a square is equal to 3q plus 2 square. Again बचा x plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy. So here x is 3q, y is 2. So it is a square is equal to 9q square. But directly I am writing 4 plus 3q into 2 into 2. It is 9q square plus 4. 2 2s are 4 3s are 12q. But just see here 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Why? Because I need the factor of 3, means I want to take common 3 as a common one. So here I can take the 3 common one. So what I will get? 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. It is 3m plus 1. Here it is a square. Continuity. So where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So what I will do is, what they told me that use equal to show that the square of any positive. So you will say that square of any positive integer is of the form जो उन्होंने बोला.